What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at a true example of when the market makers and or just the market in general runs the stop losses of investors and then rips the share price without them. As you guys know, this is a common tactic and practice that does happen in the market that you honestly probably have experienced once in your life before. When you buy something, you get stopped out or you sell your shares just before it ends up going on a run. Now, I'm going to point it out for you on the chart here in just a few minutes, but before then, I want you guys to try and figure out where on the chart I am talking about that the market makers ran the stops of investors and then ripped it without them. If you guys can figure that out, you guys are definitely on pace for a good class. So with that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing we're doing here is we are looking at forward/GC. This is simply just the gold futures market. And before we get started, if you guys have followed my channel for some time now, I've really been emphasizing getting long on the gold market. A lot of the traders in our group have known this for 2 years. We've been preaching to get long the gold market for probably 2.5, almost 3 years now. And I've been buying up gold and silver for the past couple years myself. So this is something that I truly strongly believe in and that I've actually been invested in for pretty much 3 years now myself. All right, guys, so what we're looking at here are the gold futures. What I'm going to do is just a simple form of Elliott Wave pattern. And what we're going to be pointing out is exactly where everybody's stop loss got taken out. So what I'm just going to do is kind of just map out this whole move. We have a move up, move down, move up, move kind of down, and then our next leg up. We top out, we have our pullback, fail to go higher, correctional move down. Everybody starts to, again, everyone starts to buy at this red level where we believe we have found the bottom. And then we have, again, more of a stop loss run, because then we kind of bounce. We go into a nice consolidation where it looks like we are, in fact, going to break out of that wedge pattern. It snaps down, drops down just below all the buyers here. Everybody who bought this dip gets stopped out, and then look at this accumulation phase. You can see how it just kind of sits there, chops around really nicely, just kind of chopping around, taking people out. And then what ends up happening is it goes on this monster bull flag breakout. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly a perfect example of when the market runs everybody's stop losses. So now that we're actually zoomed in on the chart, look at exactly where most people were buying on this dip, right? We kind of had a lot of buying volume there, and that's where we had a really nice dip, and we started to hold support over that level. We started to make a bottom. So a lot of traders started buying this low, thinking that was the support. Because we bounced, the more touches around that support level, the stronger it is. We even had a higher low there that looks like we were going to break out. So we had more buying coming right into that higher low level. And then we snap down. Look at all the selling pressure come in. Snaps down right below support. And then it just gets bought right back up. Ever so slowly. And look at this move. Monster move out of a beautiful formed bull flag. That is a picture perfect example of when the market makers and the market just in general runs your stop loss and then has the price skyrocket without you. And that is all I have for you on this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. And on your way out, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the thumbs up button to help spread this video to more viewers. As always, thank you guys once again for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.